Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you what happens to my balloon when it's in a vacuum. Check this out. So all I'm using in this demonstration is my flask, my vacuum pump, and a partially inflated balloon. Once your balloon is inside, put your stopper on the top and make sure it's tight. Okay, now we're ready to try the vacuum pump. Take a look at the balloon inside. Remember that we tied a knot in it. Watch what happens when I turn on the pump. It's getting larger. How is that possible? We didn't add any gas molecules into the balloon, but it's still getting bigger. I'm gonna turn off the pump. Now watch what happens when I loosen the stopper on top. The balloon starts to shrink again. I didn't poke a hole in the balloon, but now it's small again. How is that possible? Now I'm gonna tighten the stopper on the top of my flask. We're gonna turn it on again. Now think about this. I'm not inflating the balloon with more gas or more air molecules, but the balloon gets larger anyway. How is that possible? Here we go again. It's getting bigger. Look at that. That's just amazing. I really like this similar vacuum pump that simply uses a syringe. Here's the same demonstration, only using a syringe. Look at my balloon. It's getting larger. Isn't that neat? And it just uses this syringe to expand the balloon. Now if I loosen this valve over here, the balloon shrinks again. I'm gonna plug it. And let's use our syringe to pump some of the air out. And my balloon gets larger. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so what's going on in this demonstration is at sea level, there's 14.7 pounds of atmospheric pressure pressing against this balloon. But when you turn on the vacuum pump, all of that gas is pulled out and it reduces that atmospheric pressure so that the air molecules inside the balloon can expand. You're not adding more air inside the balloon, you're just taking away all of that atmospheric pressure that's pressing those gas molecules closer together. And when you remove that pressure, those air molecules are able to expand. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.